Ashley here and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the look I'm going to be creating today. All product details are in the caption. Some items are from PR. I'm starting out with the Huda Beauty Naughty Eyeshadow palette using this light brown in the crease. I'm placing the color with a Morphe brush above the natural crease line. Just placing the color. Next, I'm going to draw a line with the eyeshadow following the natural upward curve of my lower lash line, creating a V shape in the outer corner. Next, I'm going to use circular motions to blend out the edges to have a smooth gradient. Starting in the inner corner and making my way into the outer corner, blending until you have a smooth blend. Next, with this red color from the Wild Jaguar palette, I'm using a smaller Morphe brush and applying that tighter into the crease to add depth. Once again, I'm just placing the color in place, following my natural crease line, and then again drawing a V in the outer corner, bringing that downwards. Once I have all the color in place, I'm going to go ahead and blend out the edges into that previous color, making sure I don't bring it any higher than the previous transition shade. Again, using little circular motions like this, starting in the inner corner and then blending out. Using a little bit of side-to-side motions as well. You can go back in with the larger brush to blend out a little bit. Just make sure you don't bring this higher than the previous color. Next, with the same brush, I'm going to apply this black into the outer corner, applying a little bit at a time because you can't move backwards if you add too much. Just concentrating it in the outer corner and then blending out the edges a little bit. I'm applying that same color to the inner corner, doing the same thing, blending out the edges. The inner portion doesn't have to be too clean, just the transition between the crease shades. Blending it inwards a little bit, and then keeping that V shape in the outer corner. Next, with this shimmering color and this brush I found at the craft store, I'm applying it to the edges of the black that we just applied. Just wiping it side to side, placing it where I'd like it. Then I'm using that circular brush again to just blend out the edges, so I have no lines between the colors. Using side-to-side motions. Then I'm going in with this purple shade and that flat brush once again and applying it to the center, blending it into the previous shimmering color and bringing it upwards a little bit into the crease. Trying to make sure I don't have any harsh lines with the shimmer. Next, with this gold color, I'm applying it tight to the inner corner and then adding this nude to blend out the edges to have a smooth transition. Adding some liner and then smoking out the lower lash line with this gray and then drawing on a winged liner, tracing out my shape, the wing rather small, and then filling in the shape. With my flat brush, I'm going in with that black eyeshadow again and then smoking out the liner, trying to keep the outer corner wing a little bit sharp, cleaning it up a little bit, and then blending everything out with our first brush, adding mascara and lashes, and that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the look. Be sure to subscribe down below so you are notified the next time I post. Bye!